Using Excel charts in the workplace provides numerous advantages and benefits that significantly enhance data presentation and decision-making processes. Charts transform complex data sets into visual representations, making it easier for teams to identify trends, patterns, and outliers at a glance. This visual clarity facilitates effective communication, allowing stakeholders to grasp insights quickly during meetings or presentations, which can lead to more informed discussions and quicker resolutions. Additionally, Excel charts streamline data analysis, enabling users to compare different datasets side by side, making it simpler to draw conclusions and make informed predictions. Different chart types, like bar, line, and pie charts, allow employees to customize visualizations for specific needs. This adaptability helps engage viewers and makes complex information easier to understand. By using these tools, organizations can promote data-driven decision-making, enhancing productivity and collaboration. In today's data-centric world, effective visualization through Excel charts is essential for business success. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you want to dive deeper and watch the full lesson on Excel charts and graphs, I've provided the link in the video description below. Additionally, if you'd like to stay updated with more tips and tutorials, feel free to join my WhatsApp channel by clicking the link in the channel description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you for watching.